Hello, I'm Dr. Nandini Sarkar Shinde, MD Pediatrician in Mumbai. Vaccination is the only way for individual protection as well as control of the pandemic. Numerous studies have clearly shown a dramatic decline in the number of hospital admissions, in complications, in ventilator use, and mortality following vaccination.
I am Mukul Rohatgi, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India, and former Attorney General of India, making this appeal to take the vaccine because that's the only prevention and cure, really speaking, for this COVID-19. I have myself taken both the jabs. I am perfectly fine. There was no reaction at all, and I expect and I beseech everybody to take this jab as soon as possible because this is the only hope.
Now, the next question which arises is which vaccine to take? And the answer is whichever one that is available at the center near you. All the vaccines that have been licensed for use are absolutely safe and efficacious in preventing complications of COVID. Now, supposing you suffer from some medical condition or you are on certain medications that make you fear that you may not be an ideal candidate for vaccination, please talk to your physician and clarify your doubts.
Namaskar, I'm Vice Admiral Pradeep Kaushiv, retired. In these difficult times, it is important, it is imperative for all of us to be responsible for our own selves, for our own near and dear ones, and for the society. Do not back off from vaccination only because of apprehensions. In my own case, I've had a cardiac situation about 3 weeks ago, and I've had 2 stents implanted. But under medical advice, I had no hesitation in taking vaccination second dose last week.
I'm Kamlesh Gill and I'm 84 years old. I have taken the first vaccination and will be taking another one in few days. I will like everybody to go and get rid of this problem by taking this vaccination on.
So, either you worry about minor side effects of the vaccine like pain, fever, body ache, or stiffness of your arm lasting for a couple of days, or you worry about contracting a potentially life threatening disease that has already claimed more than 3 million lives worldwide in a short span of time. There isn't really a choice, is there?